The University of the Witwatersrand turns 90 in 2012. It is just 22 years older than its home, Johannesburg, Egoli, the city of gold, and the powerhouse of the African subcontinent. Fondly known by generations of alumni as Wits, the grand old institution is world famous for its major contributions to the study of evolution, its courageous opposition to the infamous policy of apartheid, world famous art and music, and the many technical innovations in the fields of mining, physics, medicine, and engineering. Starting as the Kimberley School of Mines, the school was transferred to Johannesburg in 1904, when it became clear that the ever-growing metropolis would require experts in mining and the various sciences. In 1922, the school became a fully fledged university, with clear values articulated by the first principal, Jan Hofmeyr, who said, "Universities should know no distinctions of class, wealth, race, or creed." From the beginning, Wits embodied evolution and change. In 1923, Professor Raymond Dart announced the discovery of Australopithecus africanus, and the little mining school shot into the world's imagination. As the city evolved, the need for experts in various other fields became clear, and law, medicine, science, and the arts grew. Other faculties and schools were added as the old mining school grew into a world-class university. And there was much more to this university than gold dust and fossils. Wits was a pioneer of another kind too. The first black university lecturer was Wits graduate B.W. Vilakazi, a Zulu poet and scholar who received his doctorate in literature in 1946. Wits students and staff added their voices to the outraged condemnation of apartheid in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, putting Wits University on the world stage as a premier university in the fields of research and discovery, as well as social and moral leadership. The opening of the planetarium in 1960 heralded a new frontier of exploration, as world fascination with space and the unexplained universe took hold of the human imagination. Wits University triumphed on Earth and in heaven in 1994. Capturing headlines all over the world with the achievements of two Wits University alumni. Noted astronomer Professor David Bloch's analysis of cosmic dust drew worldwide acclaim, as did the inauguration of Wits honorary graduate Nelson Mandela to the post of President of a new non-racial South Africa. True to its reputation for social engagement combined with cutting-edge technical and scientific expertise, Wits has produced the greatest amount of HIV/AIDS research on the African continent during the decade of 1996 to 2006. Like a phoenix, Wits rose from the fire of 1931, which destroyed the main building and the library, but went on to building new libraries. The Wits University Press, established in 1923, continues to publish innovative literature for academic and general readers. Areas of focus include art and heritage, popular science, history and politics, biography, literary studies, women's writing, and select textbooks. Wits has produced more than 130,000 graduates, an Oscar winner, 4 Nobel Prize laureates, and 91 Rhodes Scholars. Many alumni have won the Fulbright Scholarship and other prestigious academic awards. And William Kentridge is one of the world's most celebrated artists. Multi-award-winning theatre directors Lara Foote and Aubrey Sekabi are leaders of 2 of the most prestigious theatres in South Africa, the Baxter Theatre in Cape Town and the State Theatre in Tshwane. The Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Desmond Tutu, Carlos Fuentes, Stacey Ann Chin, Mampele Rampele, Susie Taru, Amartya Sen, Susan Sontag are among the many of the world's most respected public intellectuals who have graced the halls of Wits and inspired thousands of students and ordinary Johannesburg citizens. In 2010, the Bidvest Wits Football Club made history by winning the Nedbank Cup at the first game played at the newly renovated Soccer City Stadium. Constantly evolving to meet the needs of a changing cosmopolitan society, Wits is establishing many multidisciplinary research institutes over the next decade. 2 have already been launched: the Global Change and Sustainability Research Institute and the Sydney Brenner Institute for Molecular Biosciences. The others will be centered around mining, cities and development, population health and society, and the evolutionary sciences. Wits continues to be the University of Evolution and Innovation at the level of scholarship, research, the arts and leadership. The University of the Witwatersrand's tradition of being the springboard for the future, evolving young minds to take leadership roles not only in South Africa, but in the world.